The festival is an experience. It's something that we hope everybody walks away from changed. Changed to make a difference on their street, in their community. Changed to be able to walk away from the lecture series, the educational series, and know a little bit more, and then go and research that to figure out what exactly, why does the osprey dive the way that it does? Why do we only see them from April to October? Where do they go when they're not here? Knowing the answers to those questions will put people in a position to be able to ask more questions, to go out and to figure out why is it important that we have this festival in the first place? Why is it important that we donate our time or our money to the festival? What are they doing that's changing the environment or the world that we live in? And we hope to be able to change hearts and minds at the festival. I moved to Southern Maryland 12, 13 years ago, and it's a beautiful area to be in, and I would really love to see Southern Maryland show others the value of the area and the resources that we have here, to know what is right outside of our doors. And this festival is an excellent way to get outside your doors, to get into your community, but to actually see what is surrounding us, to open our eyes to what's already here.